Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And today I want to share with you something that you probably know already, that coronavirus is definitely making a hit and impact on us. But the best news is that nature is still working for us. The microbes in the soil are still working, and they want you to go out there and plant a beautiful garden so you have lots of food in your pantry in the next months. And over here is my field of, this is purple dead nettle growing. This is a cover crop that I've been experimenting with over the time, and this is going to feed my bees in the future that I'm going to be getting in. And you can see the distance from here to there, that's about 150 feet, and I'll show you a close-up of all that purple dead nettle blooming right now and is actually feeding the other bees in the area. This is the same field that all the geese that were eating in. Now, I learned something also by just watching nature, that the geese did not eat all this purple dead nettle. They ate all the other cover crops, but this is a natural occurrence that blooms on my farm every year, and I've been saving seed and spreading it, of course, on the ground here. So what's nice about this is that the geese are leaving it alone, plus it's going to feed my bees as soon as I get them in. And talking about bees, they're supposed to be shipping my bees probably within the next 30 days, and I can't find any sugar to feed them, so hopefully this will be enough for them, so I don't lose about $200 or $300 or almost $400 for all the bees I bought. But the purpose of my video today is that don't worry about things. Nature is still working, and again, all that soil biology is still out there doing a fantastic job for us, and it's going to give us free nutrients to our plants when we plant them up. Now also in here with the purple dead nettle is also chickweed that might be in your garden too, and also the other one is henbit. Now what's nice about this is that do not try to destroy them, because it's great, and I'll show you what to do with them in the future videos, is that you can harvest these things. You can actually eat the two things, the henbit and the purple dead nettle, and you go online to research it. Don't take my word for it. And also too, what's nice about this is that it's a great thing to add to your compost, because it's green material full of nitrogen and also microbes on the leaves that's going to accelerate that compost for you in another month. So this is actually doing such a valuable favor for you, almost 3 times over, that you can use it in so many different ways towards your gardening experience. It's just amazing to see this purple haze this early in the springtime. We've had such crazy weather. We go from, let's say, 70 degrees one day to a high of only 36 degrees Fahrenheit the next day. But they're just starting to bloom. Let me see if I can pick one here. This is, and get a close-up for you. Get a focus in. They just starting to bloom at the top and opening up, but just amazing. This one is called purple dead nettle. There's also henbit in here, but not as much. I also want to take you around now the farm and show you what's other things that are growing that I planted up to make money on. And let's go over and check out the tulip field. So here I have 1,000 tulips that I planted last year of 2 different colors. Now, I planted this in about the beginning of November. I didn't film it. I was hoping to be able to cut these for cut flowers and sell them, but it seems like that's not going to happen this year unless things change and people can come back out of their houses. In New Jersey right now, we're pretty much on quarantine to stay in our homes for a while for non-essential working. So the farmer markets aren't open or anything else either. So if anything, it's going to look really nice, and I'll share it with you. But I wish I could sell them, but we'll see what happens. So these funny little things that are growing, that survived the winter, again, I planted this up in last November. These are not tulips. These are called French shallots. Now, they're doing very well. There's a row of them. I got 2 rows. And you can see right down the line there that they're doing pretty well. And now, these are very close to the surface. Now here's a close-up, if you can see, of the French shallot. Now that bulb is right there at the base of the soil. They don't go in the soil very deep. They only go down about maybe an inch or 2, and they can survive all winter. Now we've had a mild winter here in Zone 6B, and I'm assuming that it did a fantastic job and it didn't kill it off. Some years, if it gets way below freezing for a long period of time, they won't do so well. But so far, so good. I've had a mild winter, and I'm expecting out of that one bulb at least getting like 10 or 12 more out of it that are delicious and put into my omelets in the morning, and also any kind of meal. French shallots have their own unique taste and onion flavor. And we have our apple trees blooming this time of the year already. So I've been digging around in my old potato field, and I just dug these up here. These are dark red New Orleans baby red potatoes. Now I would suggest, if you haven't bought potatoes yet, especially these are early varieties, I would go out and purchase at least a couple of pounds of early dark red New Orleans potatoes. Now I'll show you how to plant these up in a cardboard box with sugar snap peas in the next video. And this way it will at least give you some food between now and also the 4th of July when you can harvest the baby red potatoes. I want to thank you very much for watching today's video. If you can, please like and share, and give it a thumbs up, because it's my only income right now, and things are going to be a little tough. So please enjoy, and I will help you through your gardening season, and we'll both grow great food together.